Sniper trade of the day from Canna Tortoise Capital for February 23rd, 2026. Cisco 10-minute chart was the sniper frame of the day yesterday for swing trading one day at a time. The last 30 minutes of price action yesterday is this blue box. The opening range is the green box, that opening range 10 minutes. We play the breakout from either one of the extremes. Price rolled over with general weakness in the market. We get the entry here with about a 50-cent risk box in the usual way. The collapse begins. The whole market is down. Tech is weakest. We had a second position, a third position. It finds its natural limit, begins to recover. We take the 1, 2, 3 exit when it crosses the dragon for about 7R. Standard work, no overnight risk. It'll be in play again tomorrow. The swing trade frame of the day for tomorrow is Intel. Cisco is good, but Intel is better. It has a narrow doji daily range. We'll play the breakout above the green long or below the red short, with the yellow box representing our swing trade risk. There's about an 8-to-1 reward to risk ratio to the 10-day high, with a clear price ladder for targets on the way up and clear price target ladder for collapsing prices. So we have a compound critical state ready to go large in either direction. This is our best single swing trading one day at a time target for tomorrow. Take good care. See you in the room.